Hi guys, I'm coming at you with your check-in for the week. I hope your week was awesome. I got to go to an all-day conference yesterday, which was amazing. I got to learn a little bit more about my gifted learners, so that always makes me excited. But I'm telling you what, having a day away from grading, I only graded like 40 or 50 assignments yesterday, which probably sounds like a lot, but it's really not a lot in my world. So boy, today has been a day of grading like crazy. I'm grading all those vlogs for my World History 1 kids. Hey, those have been fun. I really like them. But the problem is they're videos, so they take so long. I'm getting those done. I'm finishing up reflections for World History 1 and 2, and then all that late work you guys are submitting. Way to get on top of that. That is exciting news. So I'm getting all that stuff taken care of. I promise I'm working hard over here. But goodness me, this day kind of escaped me. I'm like, how's it already almost 5 o'clock? Anyways, I wanted to remind you of a couple quick things. Keep up the great work. This is not the time to fall behind, not at all. You have 2 weeks left. That's so exciting. Guys, the last day to submit work is Friday, June 21st at 10 p.m. You will no longer be able to submit work after that, so please make sure that you are getting that late work in and managing your time very well. There are no exceptions. I got to finalize grades, and trust me, I get hundreds of assignments dumped on me that week, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And so I got to get that done. You got to work on preparing for your finals. It's just time for us to get the work part closed off. And then finally, about finals, gosh. Saturday is now a finals option for the first time. I just wanted to throw that out to you in case you want to get this class done on that Saturday. It is a possibility. You could be all done, ready to go. I will be at finals on Saturday, Wednesday, and Thursday, just in case you need me, okay? Those are the days that I will be there. So I know some of you are doubled up in classes, so maybe taking both finals on Saturday or both finals on one day may not be something you want to do. Totally understand. I'm just throwing that option out there. You could be done on Saturday. I'd do it. Anyways, otherwise, I wish you guys a happy weekend. I hope if you're caught up, you take some time to rest, be a teenager, and have some fun, okay? Be safe and have a wonderful weekend. Thanks, guys.